ko, so, and a. And that sort of signifies the same idea, which is close to me, close to them, farther away from both of us. But in this situation, it's more of here, there, and where. So we've got KOKO, which is here. KOKO. Then we've got SOKO over there, but near someone else. So for example, I want Yuki to get me something. So can you please get me a tissue? And she says, where are they? But I see them right next to her. I would just say SOKO. Or if maybe they're across the room, but she's standing up and I'm sort of lying down sick, I could just point over to where they are way over on the other side of the room and say ASOKO, which is there but near to neither of us or nobody. I didn't make example sentences for KOKO, SOKO, and ASOKO. There's no example sentences in the book either, really, because in the beginning, you're really only going to be using these for the situations I just said. When you're saying like over there, here, over there, like pointing out things that you want to see, look at, have, go, stuff like that. So just KOKO, SOKO, ASOKO. The only exception to this is DOKO, which is, of course, if we go back, where. This one you probably all know. It's one of the first things I think everyone learns, and it is just where. So my example sentence here is Poke spotto wa doko, or Poke spotto wa doko desu ka? I don't know if any of you guys play Pokemon Go. I haven't played it since the first 2 or 3 weeks it was out. Poke spotto wa doko? Poke spotto wa doko desu ka? So doko. Doko is very important if you want to know where the toilet is. Toire wa doko desu ka? Or just toire wa doko? You don't need the desu ka. Like, that's one thing I always want to point out. Obviously, when you're learning, every book, every video, every website, it's going to give you the full phrase, right? It's going to be nani nani doko desu ka? And it's going to have that ending all the time. But if you don't remember it, I mean, it's not that hard to remember. But if you don't, like when you're actually speaking, things like this often just don't come out. It's okay. You're still going to get your point across if you say toire wa doko. Something to keep in mind with all of the sentences that we go over. If it's desu ka or whatever, or just this, you can usually cut that. The fourth part of this Genki 1 lesson 2 goes over dare no.